Buddy Ken's, and we're in the process pulling the interfering off because he got a new interfering. It's gonna be pretty cool. Getting all the wires undone. So we can get it through. Right now we gotta get the clutch cable out. Yeah. We'll just pop in from time to time, see what the progress is. So more than a little bit of progress has been made. Got the fairing off and some other assorted pieces. Can't remember exactly what. Oh yeah, the forks. Forks are off and disassembled. Ready to be cleaned up and put back on. Okay, it's been a productive few days over the last couple of weeks working on Ken's bike. He did a lot of upgrades. Let's see. You saw when I told you about rebuilding the forks. Next time, did all the brake pads, changed the brake fluid front and rear, and all 3 holes. And then we got to work on this really cool custom interfering gauges. How trick is that? Yeah, so he's down to just cleaning things up, putting the saddlebags and such back on the seat, and he's ready to ride. Hey, thanks for watching.